Trade Forex MT5. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to trade Forex MT5 in pocket option. So let's get started. You have two options. The number one is trade Forex directly inside the pocket option. For this, you can trade currency pairs as CFDs using pocket options built-in platform. MT5 is not required. Start by signing into pocket option. Here, after signing in, you will see an option trading. Click on it and then click on Forex. Select the currency pair you want to trade. Choose your position size, leverage, stop loss and take profit. Then tap buy or sell to start the trade. The second option is use MT5 through another broker. Pocket option does not support MT5, so you will need a broker that does. For this, create an account with a broker that offers MT5, for example, XNET, IC Markets, FXDM, or anyone else. Then install MT5 on your phone or computer. After that, log in using the broker's server login details. Once done, begin trading Forex with MT5's full charting and tools. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.